guys, it's your friendly neighborhood Hunter Seuss, and in today's video, I'll be doing Fidget Cube versus Fidget Spinner. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. It's allergies, springtime. So let's see who will win this one. Well, Fidget Spinner, all it really does is spin. You put it on your thumb. Yeah. But it comes with the case. A little extra credit. But a Fidget Cube. It's really cool, actually. You could twist it. You could click it. You can roll it. You could click this. And you could just spin your finger around this. And then you could rub your thumb on this. To be honest, I think I like this one better because Fidget Spinner is just spinning. This, you could do a ton of other stuff. Click, click. What's your thoughts? Put in the comments below. Fidget Spinner or Fidget Cube?
Fidget nothing. I hate fidgets. They're for kids and babies.
Oh my gosh, get out of my house. You're in every one of my videos now, aren't you? You're so annoying.
I'm out of here, though.
I'm sorry about that, guys. That old man seems to be getting in my house somehow. But anyways, what's your thoughts? Fidget Spinner? Fidget Cube? Tell me in the comments below. Or just tell me if you don't even like any fidgets. So, yeah, guys. See you in the next video. I love you all. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.